Okay, here is my Mamod tractor steam engine. As you can see, the piston works just fine, spinning around. Sideways view, here you go. We have got, only my hand's in the way, never mind. Here's the whistle, that lets off steam. Here's the safety valve, fully operational, perfectly cleaned up, ready to rock and roll. And as you can see, it all spins around quite happily. What we're now going to do is fill her up with water, put in the methylated spirit burner, and fire her up and see if she runs. Here you go. Flick the flywheel and off she goes, running good as gold. This thing's been in the loft for, crikey, 30 years or so now, so I'm very impressed with the build quality. As you can see, it's running away like a good one. No problems at all. All boxed up, ready to post. Happy bidding and good luck.
Obviously working. Are you recording?
I don't know, just recording.
Just recording. That's well off the spin.